Hey guys, so today we're going to be playing with some color again, and I'm using the Reina Del Caribe Alamar palette because I love that palette. It's so pretty and the eyeshadows are really nice to play with. I'm also going to be using the BoxyCharm Pure palette. I'm only going to use one shade from this palette, so most of them are going to be from the Alamar palette, the Reina del Caribe palette. And yeah, never mind my hair. I know it looks frizzy, crazy, and whatever, but you know, I've been having a lot of fun this weekend with family in the pool, and I just haven't had time to do my hair, so I just threw it up in a bun. And you know what, let's just do this. Please make sure you are subscribed to my channel, follow my other social medias, and watch my previous videos. Let's begin. So I'm gonna put a little bit of powder right under my eye for any fallout because I have my face done and I don't want it to look all, no, I'm using dark eyeshadows. I don't want it to look all dark under there. So I'm gonna grab this Sigma E40 blending brush and the eyeshadow named Perfect, this one right here, Perfect, from the BoxyCharm Pure palette. And I'm gonna place this on my entire eye, and I'm gonna bring it up all the way to my brow bone. And that's pretty much it with that. That's all we're gonna use from this palette, so I'm gonna put this away. Now I'm gonna go into the Reina del Caribe Alamar palette, which you guys have seen. It looks like this. The first eyeshadow I'm grabbing is Cocoa Taxi right here with the same brush. And I'm gonna place Cocoa Taxi into my crease from outer all the way to inner corner. Now I'm gonna swap to this brush. This is the Step 1 for the Money, the Vintage Company brush. And I'm gonna go into Cocoa Taxi. And I'm going to buff this right under my lashes. And I'm not going to be super precise because this one is also going to be my transition shade for my bottom. So the next eyeshadow I'm going to be using is Varadero, which is this beautiful blue eyeshadow here. And I'm using this is just a BH Cosmetics brush. It's kind of a fluffy slash pencil brush. I really don't know what kind of brush name this would have, but you get the idea, right? That's what it looks like. So I'm gonna go into Varadero and I'm going to put this on my outer V. And I'm gonna keep it out here. Bring it up to the crease, but not too far up because when we blend, it'll go up a little bit. And I'm gonna flick it out on the edge just a little bit, as you can see. So right now I'm just packing on the color, and once I get the color on, I'm going to start flicking it up a little bit and connecting it until I like the way it looks. Also, I have to work with the crease of my eye. So when my eye is open, it'll hide the eyeshadow. So I have to go a little bit higher than that crease in order for you to see it when my eyes are open. All right, so far I'm happy with that. So the next eyeshadow I'm gonna go into is Celia, which is this beautiful blue-green eyeshadow over here, right here. And I'm just using a flat shader brush by BH Cosmetics. This one is pretty wide. So I'm just gonna pick that up with this brush. I'm gonna pick up some Celia and I'm going to place it on my mobile lid. So from the inner corner, and I'm gonna make it meet Varadero. And I'm bringing it up to my crease as well. And this is when we're gonna play with Celia and Varadero because we have to make them meet each other and for the transition to look really pretty. Which with these two eyeshadows, it's pretty easy to do because they're beautiful eyeshadows. They blend well and the shades are, you know, they're really nice together. So I'm gonna go back to that brush that I used with Varadero, and I'm just going to, whatever's left on the brush, kind of blend it into Celia. So next I'm going to grab this smudge brush by e.l.f. and I'm going to go into Varadero and Celia, and I'm going to apply this right under my lashes. I'm going to start with Varadero on the outer corner and then Celia on the inner corner. And I'm going to make exactly what I did on the top, I'm going to do on the bottom. Okay, so I have Varadero on. I'm going to clean the brush off with the wipe. And now I'm going to go into Celia and finish that off. I'm going to be using this contour brush by Modern Minerals, and I'm just going to buff that under my lashes to make it nice and soft. And if I have to go back to the eyeshadow Cocoa Taxi to buff it out even more, then I'll do that. I don't think I'm going to need to because I did go down pretty far, so we'll see. For my waterline, I'm going to use this waterproof eyeliner by Molly in the shade Ice Blue. And next I'm going to be taking this eyeliner brush by Aesthetica, and I'm going to go into the eyeshadow El Malecón, and I'm going to do this line that you see right there above everything. Okay, so for this I'm going to look forward and I'm going to keep my eyes open because I want the line to be visible when my eyes are open. So I have to keep my eyes open because my crease, like I've said, it goes in pretty deep and I have to make this line pretty high. So I'm going to start this from the inner corner. And I'm going to follow that crease. And this eyeshadow, I'm going to have to like pack it on. You know, since I'm using such a thin brush, it doesn't pick up a lot of eyeshadow. So I have to keep going back until I'm happy with how much eyeshadow I have. Like right now, I can already see it. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. But I'm going to start here and then I'm going to like make it a little bit thicker. You see how much thicker this line is over here? Just to make sure it's visible when my eyes are open. And I'm going to end the tail of this close to where the blue, what's the eyeshadow? The Varadero eyeshadow starts. That's where I'm going to end the line. Okay, so now that I'm happy with the way that looks, I'm gonna go into La Costa, which is this eyeshadow right here, and I'm using Royal and Langnickel BX95 brush. I'm just gonna stamp that into my inner tear duct for a highlight. Okay, so we're almost done. I'm just gonna dust this off and I'm going to apply my liquid eyeliner. This is the NYC liquid eyeliner. I'm gonna do the application and I'm going to apply my lashes. I'm going to add mascara to my lashes and then I will apply some lashes. I just don't know which ones yet. I'll let you know in a few. So I decided on the lashes and I'm gonna go with these Kiss lashes in Flirty. On my lips, I'm only gonna wear a gloss. This one is by Cargo Cosmetics in the name Taos. And that's it, you guys. This is the end of this look. I hope you like it. It is a fun look. I don't know where I would go wearing this look because it's like super extra for me specifically, but it is pretty, it's fun, and for pictures, I love it. I don't really go out you know, like clubbing and partying and stuff like that. So, you know, I don't really know where I would wear it. But if you know where you would wear it, then, you know, then create it and let me see, because I would love to see your recreations of any of my looks. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you are subscribed to my channel, follow my other social medias, and watch my previous videos. Until next time, mwah, hugs and kisses. Bye.